So today I'll be talking about green screen chroma key effect. Chroma key is a visual effect used to remove a background of a video by combining two video or image based on the color tone, and today I'll be showing this in Filmora. Hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification to be a big part of this family. So first open the Filmora and import the video that has a green background and background which you want to replace, and drag the video which you want to replace in the main timeline and drag the green screen video into the second timeline. You can see the green background is covering the whole screen. Now we need to remove it. To remove the green background, double tap in the green screen video, and in the video section you can see chroma key. Enable it. You can choose the color or take this pencil icon over to the right in the preview screen and click on the green background. Then see the magic. Not only green color, you can remove any color. Right now I have blue color background in this video. I can remove it by using chroma key feature. Take this pencil icon and click over to the right in the preview screen, then it will remove it easily. So if you want to learn Filmora and if you want Filmora 9 full version, no watermark, follow and message me on Instagram. Mr. JD07 is my Instagram handle. So I'll see you back on next video with a new topic. This was Mr. JD signing off.